105 species in genus Adenia. December 31st. Aesculus, the horse chestnut, defines December 31st. Aesculus symbolizes protection and wisdom. You have a natural ability to guide and offer support to others. Like the chestnut, you provide shelter and strength to those around you, standing tall with grace and poise. My fascination with Adenia, a world of curious caudiciforms. Hi, I'm Ferbu, and I've got a confession. I'm utterly captivated by a group of plants known as Adenia. This intriguing genus, belonging to the Passifloraceae family, yes, the same one as passion fruit, boasts a diverse array of species with swollen stems, bizarre forms, and fascinating adaptations. They're often referred to as caudiciforms, a term used to describe plants with a fat, swollen base. Think of them as the succulent cousins of the passion fruit, though not all Adenia are succulents. My interest in Adenia began innocently enough. I stumbled upon a peculiar-looking plant at a local nursery. Its trunk was bulbous, almost cartoonish, and from it sprouted delicate vines with vibrant green leaves. It was an Adenia glauca, and I was hooked. Since then, I've been delving deeper into the world of Adenia, eager to learn everything about their unique characteristics, diverse forms, and the challenges of cultivating these botanical oddities. A diverse genus. What makes Adenia so fascinating is its sheer diversity. With over 100 species spread across the Old World tropics and subtropics, there's an Adenia to pique almost anyone's interest. They range from scrambling vines to shrubs and even small trees. Some have smooth, green stems, while others are covered in spines or warty protuberances. This incredible variety is a testament to the genus's adaptability, allowing it to thrive in habitats ranging from arid deserts to humid rainforests. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The challenges of cultivation. Adenia, with their unique adaptations to often harsh environments, can be a bit tricky to cultivate. They require well-draining soil, plenty of sunlight, and careful watering, especially during their dormant period. Overwatering is a common pitfall, as it can lead to root rot and ultimately kill the plant. One of the biggest challenges I've faced is providing the right balance of light and water. Too much shade can result in etiolation, stretching, and weakening of the stems, while too much direct sunlight can scorch the delicate leaves. Finding that sweet spot is crucial for healthy growth. Despite the challenges, successfully cultivating an Adenia is incredibly rewarding. Watching these curious plants thrive under my care brings a sense of accomplishment and deepens my appreciation for their resilience and unique beauty. The allure of the unusual. Why am I so drawn to Adenia? Perhaps it's their unusual forms that challenge conventional notions of plant aesthetics. Or maybe it's their resilience, their ability to thrive in some of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. Whatever the reason, I find myself constantly seeking out new species, eager to expand my collection and learn more about these fascinating plants. Adenia, for me, represents the allure of the unusual, the beauty in the unexpected. They remind me that the natural world is full of surprises, and that there's always something new and fascinating to discover. So, if you're looking for a plant that's a bit out of the ordinary, I highly recommend giving Adenia a try. You might just find yourself as captivated by them as I am.